Hello and welcome to the personal property tour for 7 Carlyle Crescent in Buckhaven. This is a fantastic, recently renovated retail unit. Previously a convenience store, however it is now a blank canvas for your business. Prime location as well, because we're situated right in the heart of a residential area while just being tucked off the main Wellesley Road. Great plot also, because not only are you getting this land to the front that you can see behind me, but we also step round to the rear and you're getting further land with plenty of potential. So it really is a great plot for your business. So let me take you on the tour, show you everything that this commercial unit has to offer, and then at the end I will tell you further details. So this is the premises here, number 7. So just for reference, you have Wellesley Road just there, and then we head up in that direction and you get to Den Walk and beyond. So prime residential location, ample footfall and traffic. So this is the front of your premises. You're getting this land just here, but don't worry, there is more to come. Obviously you can see we have the shutters down just now, but you do have big display windows to the front. But let me head down the side and show you just how much land you are getting. It's a brilliant addition that all this comes with number 7. But this is the land. So really generous sized, plenty of potential, but this is all of yours. Whether you want to keep it just for customer parking, whether you want to extend number 7, or whether you want to build down the end, but this is all of your land. So plenty. And then let me just give you your view to the rear, and let's head inside and show you the actual unit. So as I say, recently renovated, so blank canvas for you. So first off, we come into this area that's almost like back of house. So generous size. And then what's great as well is you just have this storage area, but then just through this door is we have a newly fitted WC. So you have that wet wall, WC and wash hand basin. So that is just perfect. But then we head into this really generous sized main retail area. So brilliant sized premises. And it is great just having that addition tucked through there. But this is all of your main retail area. And as I say, you would have seen from the front that you have those great sized display windows. So complete blank canvas. But you can see that it has been attention to detail as there is downlights that have been fitted. You've got ample plug sockets throughout as well. And you can see here, obviously, the heating as well. So this is perfect. So hopefully by now you're picturing how you would make this work for you and your business. And then stepping through. Again, you've still got your downlighters. And then just another look at this land to the rear, because it is a brilliant addition. So let's recap number 7. That was the personal property tour for 7 Carlyle Crescent in Buckhaven. As you've just seen for yourself, a fantastic opportunity with this recently renovated, completely blank canvas commercial unit. Plenty of footfall and traffic with this location as well, as you're in a prime residential area while just being situated off that main Wellesley Road. Not only that, but you're getting a brilliant plot as well, because you've got that space to the front, but then you're coming around to the rear and you've got ample land to the rear with plenty of potential for you and your business. Now this is sold as seen, it's a class 1 registered premises, and it's got a rateable value of £3,000. If you'd like to get further details, you can click the link, message me directly, or you can call the team on 01333 421 774. Sophie at 5 Properties, take care.